Okay, so you guys are gonna be playing Build a Boat. I'm gonna show you my builds. This is so Scribbly Venom Tax. So this is the helicopter. Here's a race car that I'm gonna actually launch. Oh no. Oh no. I'll put my video voice if we hit 10 million subscribers. I mean, when we hit 1 million subscribers, I will do my actual voice. But like, my voice kind of sounds like this. Well, right now we're just cruising. You guys can give the rates in the comments. And by the way, remember that I'm 14. Remember that. Remember that, YouTube. Please don't ban me from YouTube because I'm 14. I do have that kind of hair. Oh, look, here's my other boat. Wait, let's see if we can get on it. Oh no! Right when I said that. Okay. Wait, we're actually doomed. Oh no, frick. Here's this build. Yeah, by the way, I have this thing. Like, you can, like, select it and then you can, like, move it and stuff. So, like, if I want to do that one, I can, like, wait a second. Look at that. See? Look. I have that tool. Yeah. There's... Okay, now we're going to check out the plane engines. Look at this too. Oh no. Yeah, this is normal turbulence. Definitely normal turbulence. Ah! No! No! Alright, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No. Okay, now it's the last row. That house. Oh yeah, kind of. Here's the houseboat that I bought with my friends. So I'll tell you about it. So that's the houseboat. And that's it for today. So please, I try my best for this video. Bye.